Imagine an animal so colossal, so immense in size and presence, that it would dwarf even the largest creatures alive today. Picture a living giant whose footsteps would leave craters in the earth, and whose shadow could stretch across an entire field. To put it in perspective, a single leg bone from one of these animals could easily tower over a grown adult, and a school bus would look like a mere toy car beside their massive skeletons. Titanosaurs were the undisputed giants of the dinosaur world, the largest land animals ever to walk the earth, with some individuals stretching over 120 feet long and weighing as much as 70 tons. For millions of years, they dominated ancient ecosystems, shaping the landscapes and influencing the lives of countless other species. While many people are familiar with sauropods like Brachiosaurus or Diplodocus, titanosaurs were a unique and highly evolved branch of this family. They pushed the boundaries of size and survival, developing features that allowed them to thrive in ways other dinosaurs could not. Their name, Titanic lizards, is a fitting tribute to their immense proportions and legendary status among prehistoric creatures. Titanosaurs lived during the Cretaceous period, a time when the world was warm and lush, and they roamed every continent, from the dense forests of South America to the icy reaches of Antarctica. Paleontologists have identified over 100 different species of titanosaurs, each with its own unique adaptations and characteristics. Their fossils have been found in places as far apart as the windswept plains of Patagonia and the frozen soils of Antarctica, revealing just how widespread and adaptable they were. What truly set titanosaurs apart was their remarkable adaptability. While many other sauropods disappeared as environments changed, titanosaurs continued to flourish, evolving to survive in a variety of habitats. From humid forests to arid deserts, they found ways to thrive, making them one of the most successful dinosaur groups in history. These giants began life as tiny hatchlings, emerging from eggs not much larger than a soccer ball. Over the years, they grew at astonishing rates, eventually becoming the heaviest creatures to ever walk on land, with some adults outweighing entire herds of modern mammals. In this series, we'll explore how titanosaurs lived, what they ate to sustain their massive bodies, and how they interacted with the world around them. We'll uncover the secrets behind their incredible success and longevity, and discover why they managed to outlast so many of their dinosaur relatives. Fossil evidence, from gigantic bones to delicate eggs and even fossilized skin impressions, helps us piece together the story of these ancient giants, revealing details about their growth, behavior, and the environments they called home. And finally, we'll investigate the cataclysmic event, a massive asteroid impact that brought their reign to a sudden and dramatic end, forever changing the course of life on Earth and paving the way for the rise of new species. Titanosaurs conquered the world. Their fossils have been found on every continent. As the continents drifted apart during the Cretaceous, isolated populations evolved into a wide variety of species. South America became a hotspot, yielding giants like Argentinosaurus and Patagotitan. They reached North America, broke into Antarctica's icy regions, and even shrank to dwarf size on European islands. Their ability to adapt to new climates and environments made them a truly global dynasty. As continents shifted and climates changed, titanosaurs persisted while other groups vanished. Their fossils tell the story of a group that moved with the planet, thriving until the very end. Titanosaurs were the undisputed heavyweights of prehistory, dominating the landscape with their sheer size and presence. These colossal creatures roamed the Earth during the late Cretaceous period, and their fossils have been unearthed on nearly every continent, a testament to their incredible adaptability and success. The largest titanosaurs, such as Patagotitan and Argentinosaurus, were true giants among giants. These behemoths stretched over 120 feet from nose to tail and tipped the scales at an astonishing 70 tons or more, making them heavier than a dozen African elephants combined. Their immense size is almost impossible to imagine, even when standing before their reconstructed skeletons. To put it in perspective, a full-grown human would barely reach the shin of one of these dinosaurs. Their leg bones alone towered over people, and a single vertebra could be as large as a suitcase. Standing next to these fossils, you truly feel dwarfed by the scale of ancient life. Their legs were like massive pillars, supporting bodies that could weigh as much as a small yacht. Their necks stretched high into the air, allowing them to reach treetops for food, while their long muscular tails acted as counterbalances, helping them move with surprising grace for their size. But not every titanosaur was a towering giant. Some, like Saltosaurus and Magurosaurus, were what scientists call dwarfs, still impressive, but only about the size of modern elephants. These smaller species evolved in unique environments, such as islands, where resources were limited, and being smaller was an advantage. This incredible diversity in size allowed titanosaurs to thrive in a wide range of habitats. By occupying different ecological niches, they could avoid direct competition with one another and with other herbivores, ensuring their survival for millions of years. On isolated islands, some titanosaurs evolved to be much smaller, adapting to the limited space and food. Meanwhile, on the vast open plains of ancient South America, others grew to record-breaking sizes, taking full advantage of abundant vegetation and space. Some titanosaurs, like Saltosaurus, even developed bony armor called osteoderms embedded in their skin. These natural shields offered protection from predators, showing that even the giants of the dinosaur world needed defenses. From armored dwarfs to mountain-sized giants, titanosaurs truly mastered the art of being big. Their evolutionary journey showcases nature's ability to experiment with size, shape, and survival strategies. Their massive size was both their greatest strength and a key to their evolutionary success, allowing them to deter predators, reach food others couldn't, and travel great distances in search of resources. Evolution shaped titanosaurs into the ultimate land giants, leaving behind fossils that continue to awe and inspire us today. Every titanosaur started life in a surprisingly small egg, about the size of a grapefruit. Fossilized nesting grounds in Argentina show thousands of eggs laid in shallow nests, much like modern sea turtles. Hatchlings were tiny, just a foot tall and weighing about as much as a house cat. They were precocial, able to walk and feed themselves almost immediately. To reach adult size, titanosaurs grew at astonishing rates, reaching 70 tons in just a few decades. Their bones reveal a high metabolism and rapid growth, more like birds or mammals than reptiles. Growing fast was a survival strategy, outgrowing predators quickly. Most never made it, but those that did could live for 60 years or more. Their life was a race from fragile hatchling to near-invincible giant. Titanosaurs were evolutionary hybrids, blending reptilian and mammalian traits. Like reptiles, they laid eggs and left their young to fend for themselves, producing many offspring. This numbers game ensured some survived despite heavy predation. But inside, they were more like mammals, warm-blooded, with high metabolisms and rapid growth. Their body temperatures matched those of mammals, fueling their active lifestyles. This unique mix let them thrive in diverse climates, from tropics to polar regions. Titanosaurs succeeded by combining reptilian reproduction with mammalian physiology. Titanosaurs were plant-eating machines, consuming hundreds of pounds of vegetation daily. Their long necks let them feed from treetops to ground cover, giving them access to a wide range of plants. Their teeth were simple pegs, perfect for stripping leaves but not chewing. Food was swallowed whole. They replaced their teeth every few weeks, keeping their feeding tools sharp. Fossilized droppings reveal a varied diet: conifers, cycads, early grasses, and flowering plants. They weren't picky. Whatever was available, they ate. Their massive guts did the hard work of digestion, possibly with the help of swallowed stones. This flexible diet helped them adapt to changing environments worldwide. Their eating habits were a key to their long-term success. Our understanding of titanosaurs comes from rare and remarkable fossils, painstakingly uncovered by generations of dedicated paleontologists. These ancient bones, sometimes buried for over 100 million years, offer us a direct link to a lost world. Complete skeletons are incredibly scarce. Most titanosaur species are known from just a handful of enormous bones, like a single femur or vertebra. Each discovery is a puzzle piece, helping scientists reconstruct the size, shape, and lifestyle of these prehistoric giants. Patagonia, in South America, has become a treasure trove for titanosaur fossils. Here, paleontologists have unearthed the largest species ever found, including a remarkable 70% complete skeleton discovered in 2024. These finds have transformed our understanding of how massive these creatures could become. The Aucamahuevo site in Argentina revealed thousands of fossilized eggs, some containing delicate embryos and even impressions of dinosaur skin. The These extraordinary fossils offer a rare glimpse into the earliest stages of titanosaur life, showing how they developed and hatched. In Madagascar, scientists made another groundbreaking discovery, a nearly complete skeleton of Reptile-Mammal, including its rare skull. This find has provided crucial details about titanosaur anatomy, especially their heads, which are rarely preserved. Some fossils, like those of Saltosaurus, revealed bony armor plates embedded in the skin. These armored nodules, called osteoderms, suggest that some titanosaurs had natural protection against predators, adding a new dimension to our understanding of their biology. Important discoveries in India, Romania, and even the frozen landscapes of Antarctica have filled in more of the puzzle, showing that titanosaurs once roamed nearly every continent on Earth. Each site reveals new species and adaptations. Every new find, whether it's a single bone, a delicate egg, or a fragment of skin, adds another layer to our picture of these giants. Each fossil tells a story about how titanosaurs lived, grew, and survived in a changing world. The hunt for titanosaur fossils continues across deserts, mountains, and remote badlands as scientists search for new clues. With every expedition, there's the promise of more astonishing discoveries waiting to be unearthed. Every fossil, no matter how small, brings us closer to understanding the mysterious world of the titanosaurs and the incredible diversity of life that once ruled our planet. For 75 million years, titanosaurs ruled the Earth. But 66 million years ago, their reign ended in a cataclysm. An asteroid struck what is now Mexico, unleashing devastation on a global scale. Shockwaves, tsunamis, and wildfires followed, but the real killer was the aftermath. Dust and soot blocked the sun, plunging Earth into darkness and cold. Plants died, and with them, the food source for giant herbivores like titanosaurs. Their massive size became a liability. They starved as vegetation vanished. As plant eaters died, predators soon followed, collapsing the entire ecosystem. Even the most adaptable giants couldn't survive such rapid total change. The age of titanosaurs, and the dinosaurs, came to a dramatic close. Though titanosaurs vanished, their legacy endures. They pushed the boundaries of what's possible for life on land, challenging our understanding of biology. Their fossils reveal how evolution shapes giants, and how life adapts to a changing planet. From global distribution to unique adaptations, they show there's more than one way to succeed. Titanosaurs were the pinnacle of sauropod evolution, the last and most widespread of their kind. New discoveries and technologies keep revealing more about their lives. The age of titanosaurs is over, but the age of discovery continues. These giants still inspire awe, reminding us of nature's power and creativity.